Okay, let's take a look at a couple of problems that we could solve, some simple division problems to kind of get us started. 60 divided by 3. Now, what I want you to think about doing today is rewriting our division problems as multiplication problems. When we are able to understand that division is the inverse operation of multiplication, we can, it allows us to be able to check our answer exactly and also for reasonableness. Okay, so when we rewrite a division problem as a multiplication problem, I'm going to keep my total. That's what's being divided, the 60. And instead of the division sign, I'm going to put an equal sign. 3 times what? Okay, so what times 3 would equal 60? Well, I know that 2 times 3 equals 6. But right now, our total isn't 6, it's 60. So I have to equal out the zeros. My zeros must be the same on either side of the equal sign. So I'm going to add it to the 2. 20 times 3 is 60. So I know that 60 divided by 3 is 20. Go ahead and make sure you're solving these problems along with me. You may pause the video if you need to. Let's look at another one. 450 divided by 9. So again, we are going to rewrite this problem as a multiplication problem. 450 is equal to 9 times what? Well, what would help, and this is something that we will be doing once we start using the standard algorithm of multiplication, of division, is writing out our multiples. So our 9 is our divisor. That's the number getting divided. When we use the standard algorithm, I want you to write out your multiples of 9, or of the divisor. So this time let's do the first 5. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Well, look. Our fifth multiple is 45. So we know that 5 times 9 is 45. And once again, I need to balance out my zeros. So I'm going to add it to the 5. 50 times 9 equals 450. So we know that 450 divided by 9 is 50. Pause the video to write all this down. Let's look at one more. 6,000, oops, not that one. I'm going to do that one later. 360 divided by 60. Okay, once again, we're going to rewrite it as a multiplication problem. 360 is equal to 60 times what? Well, I could write out my multiples of 60, but look, our zeros are already balanced. I have 1 0 over here and 1 over here. So I can cross those out to kind of help me work with a smaller number that I might understand. So now let's write our multiples of 6. You have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Those are the first 5. Well, if I went one more, I know I'm adding by 6. I know my next one would be 36. And that's our number right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's our sixth multiple. 6 times 6 equals 36. But 6 times 60 equals 360. So 360 divided by 60 must be 6.